Hey folks, let's talk about nail selection and installing your casing and baseboards. Little tip guys, when you're installing door and window casing, or for that matter, even some baseboards, any of the moldings that you're working with, be aware of your nail selection. Like this casing profile that I have, Baird B112, 3/4 by 3 1/4, and you can see it really tapers off out here on the inside edge, which would be the side that goes towards the door on the jamb or towards the window on a window casing. We don't have a lot of stock there, so I like to have two guns running, a little 18 gauge, and you can see the nail. I'm still gonna get plenty of bite into that door jamb, but I'm reducing the risk of splitting that thinner material out. Then we go to the outside edge where we have more stock to work with. On our door or window, we're gonna have typically 3 inches of studs, a stud and a jack stud paired up. So we got 3 inches of good stock to nail to, but we can go to that heavier nail and we're gonna get, depending on whether you're shooting 2 1/4 inch nails, you're gonna get good penetration and good holding strength through the wood, through the drywall, and into your studs.